What's up guys, it's Quizzle again. Today I'm going to be doing a video for you about the Pacific 100G padlock. I'm going to be doing a I'm going to take apart another one of these. This is just to show you guys what it is. And the reason I'm taking this one apart is because the shackle's broken, so I want to see what kind of pins are in there. I haven't taken this apart yet, but what I'm expecting is either spool pins or possibly mushroom pins. And I know that it's a 5-pin lock because you can feel the pins with the back of a half diamond. So anyway, what I've done is I picked it and I ground off all these little where the metal comes up through here and locks all the little plates into place. So I just gotta get under here and remove the plates. Okay, and I should be able to take this out. And like I said, it's already been picked, so there it is. First thing you notice about this is it's a copper jacket, and it's a thicker copper jacket than like the Masters and stuff like that. So you can see it's got the 5-pin, and it's also got the clip for removing the plug. And right there you can see this is where the shackle is. So, alright, so try to take this clip off now. Set that over. Alright, so set that aside. And this is the front because it's got that lip. So I'm gonna remove it. First pin right here. Ooh. Wow, look at that. That is some sort of serrated. It's almost like a double spool pin or something. But you can see it's got that deep serration in there. It's got 2 of them. That's a very nice looking pin, and I've never seen one like that. So that's pin number 1. I go to pin number 2. Oh. Just like I thought, a spool pin. Pin number 3 is another one of those kind of serrated pins. Pin number 4 is another spool pin. And pin number 5 is a standard. Okay, now for the key pins. There's number 5, 4, 3, number 2, and number 1, and those are all standard. Alright. So hopefully you can see those. And I think that pin 1 and pin 3 are, I don't want to say serrated because the cut is really, really deep. But it's kind of like a hybrid spool serrated mushroom pin. And these locks are really fun to pick just because you have a lot of different things going on. A lot of different kind of false sets, and I believe that these little hybrid pins are they were kind of messing me up for a while, so it's good to know what they are, and it's pretty cool that I've found a new pin that I've never seen before. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, be legal, and have fun.